So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KPA6. So I am back for another video. So today guys, before we get started, here's my intro. So guys, before we get into this video, I would like to give a quick shout out on my friend who made the logo on this channel. So guys, if you are interested on him, be sure to check his Instagram on the link below. So he has amazing artwork that he has worked hard on it, but doesn't give enough credit for it. So I hope you guys definitely check him out. So guys, this video is all about my review and an unboxing on this mechanical keyboard that I just bought online. It's actually one of the best budget keyboards out there. If you just want some budget mechanical keyboard and not spend on the most expensive keyboards out there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and review. So yeah, let's go guys. So guys, we are now going to unbox the Machenike K7 wireless mechanical keyboard. So yeah, let's go guys. So this keyboard is actually you can either choose wireless or wired. It says on the videos that this has an included Type-C cable, so it's actually now an advantage nowadays to have a Type-C cable instead of the micro USB cable like this one on my mouse pad. So yeah, okay. The box is actually fancy, so you guys can actually wait, I'm just gonna show. Okay, you guys actually the K7 mechanical keyboard. So yeah, I'm quite excited because it's actually your first time owning a mechanical keyboard. So yeah, let's go. Now you can actually see the box. It's on Chinese, so yeah, I can't read it to you guys. Look, it's on Chinese. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Let's see the product itself. Oh, I think this is what they call the when you want to replace the keycaps of your keyboard. So you can actually see that this is a mechanical keyboard. So yeah, okay, I'm quite excited. Let's just leave that for a while. So let's see the product itself. Oh, you can actually hear the clicking sound. Ooh. So this is the keyboard itself, guys. So let's put aside the box. Oh, it's actually quite small. I was thinking that the keyboard would be big, so it actually fits my setup. So I'm just using a laptop for my device. You can actually, it's my first time to feel a mechanical keyboard, guys. So let's light this thing up. So how you can actually turn this on by wait. Let me see how to turn this thing on. Okay. Oh, now you can see. Look guys, so this is the keyboard itself. Oh, okay. It's beautiful, guys. It has that clicky sound, so you guys can actually hear it. So continuing on, this keyboard has a 2-mode connections if you want to use wired or Bluetooth connections, and it has a custom macro, and it supports multiple system, the Windows and Apple system, and it has a 19 RGB lighting effects that you can actually see, and I will show it to you guys in just a minute. And yeah, so the weight of this keyboard is 730 grams light, and it is an aluminum alloy sandblasting and light and easy to carry, and it has a metal cover. So the cover of this keyboard is actually metal, not plastic, so it's durable, and that's why it's quite heavy for me when I try to lift it. Yeah, and it can actually pair 3 devices at the same time. The keyboard and line are separated. The range of the Bluetooth is 10 meter in diameter. So, and if you can see at the back, it has a switch that you can switch to Bluetooth or cable. Or if you're using Mac iOS, you can actually switch to that, or if you're using Windows or Android. So it's a great keyboard because it has a compatibility of both the systems of Windows and Apple. You can use it when you want to use office works or gaming, and I highly recommend that you get a wristpad for this, because it's actually quite difficult for me to type, because if you want to lift it, you can lift it. So yeah. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy and like this review on this mechanical keyboard. So it's actually the best budget keyboard that you can actually see out there. I know there's a lot of budget keyboards out there that are better, but it's one of my top picks that I have so far seen on the internet. So I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna call this Tech by K. I don't know. I think that sounds like a bit of corny, but yeah. If you guys want, you can guys choose now. If you want more of these like tech videos. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like if you did. Punch that like button again, guys. Punch it. So yeah. Goodbye, guys. This is your boy KPA6. So peace.